learn today about MEP Building Services. What is MEP Building Services? Building Services MEP refers to the integrated design and management of mechanical, electrical, plumbing and often firefighting systems within a building. It includes the planning, installation, operation and maintenance of these essential systems that ensure a building's functionality, comfort and safety and efficiency. Of MEP, first come M, that means mechanical. This includes heating, ventilation and air condition. In short, we called it HVAC, HVAC system that regulate indoor temperature, air quality and humidity. Then comes E, means electrical. It includes power distribution, lighting, communication systems and safety measures such as fire alarms and emergency lighting. Then P means plumbing. It includes water supply, drainage, sewage system and other fluid systems, ensuring proper water distribution and waste removal. Then additionally comes in it firefighting, focuses on fire protection systems like sprinklers, fire alarms, smoke detectors and fire suppression systems. The integration of these services ensures that a building functions seamlessly and meets the needs of the occupants with safety, sustainability standards. MEP services play a critical role in creating comfortable, functional and safe indoor environment in various types of buildings, from residential to commercial and industrial structures. Under mechanical comes HVAC. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation and air conditioning. It refers to the technology and system used to control indoor environmental conditions including temperature, humidity and air quality in various buildings and structures. HVAC systems play a crucial role in creating comfortable, safe and healthy indoor environments for occupants as well as maintaining optimal conditions for processes in industries. These systems provide a range of equipment including heating units, air conditioning units, ventilation systems, ductwork and various control mechanisms. Here a hierarchy is given. First comes the client, then comes the architect, soil test department. What this department do? They test type of soil, survey of area, measurement of area. This comes under soil test department. Then civil department. What's it do? Civil department, structure or skeleton of the building is made by civil department. Construction of walls, then placement of doors and windows also done by civil department. Then comes building services, MEP. Under MEP, mechanical engineer or HVAC. Then comes electrical engineer. Then comes plumbing engineer. Then interior design. In interior design comes wall paints, wallpapers, furniture layout, false ceiling and landscaping. Then other requirements are miscellaneous department do that. Then comes building services MEP. Under it, first point is HVAC. Under HVAC, building services MEP, first heading is mechanical. Under mechanical comes HVAC, heat load calculation, refrigeration concepts, psychometric charts, air distribution systems, ventilation systems, static pressure calculations, hydraulic systems, duct sizing, HVAC softwares. Then comes electrical department. Under it, total connected load, PCL, single line diagram, SLD, lighting layout, raw power layout, air condition layout, conduit layout, control wiring layout, CCTV, PAS. Then plumbing. Under plumbing calculations, internal layout, external layout, firefighting layout, rain harvesting system, safety and health environment, sewage treatment plant. These all comes under plumbing. This much in this lecture. We'll learn in other video.